Hello everyone! Welcome back to another cocoa bead tutorial. This time I'd like to show you how to make this beautiful floral necklace made with wire and a little bit of resin and nail polish. I have had so much fun making it, so I really hope you enjoyed this idea as much as I do. It is super easy to make and looks gorgeous, so no more hesitation. Choose your colors, go to get your jewelry making supplies, and let's get started. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the notification sign and you'll be notified by YouTube every time I'll post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember to be still beautiful, smile and be very happy.